Today I'm going to show you how to create an album cover video in CapCut step by step. And by the end, you'll know how to build a clean, professional looking cover with separated subjects, bold text, gritty texture, and a high resolution export. This is a great method if you're making music visuals, promo graphics, or a thumbnail style cover that looks polished and eye-catching. If this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. The very first thing you want to do is set up your canvas properly because the ratio controls the entire look of your cover. Import your image into the media section, then drag it down onto the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, look at the preview player and click on Ratio. From the list of options, choose 3 to 4. This gives you a strong vertical layout that works really well for album cover, style visuals, social posts, and promotional artwork. Now that your canvas is ready, the next step is subject separation. This is what helps your cover look more layered and professional instead of flat. To do this, copy the image clip by pressing Ctrl+C, then paste it with Ctrl+V. After that, place the duplicated clip on the track above the original clip. The top layer is going to hold your subject cutout, while the bottom layer will act as the background. Select the top clip, then go to Cutout and choose Auto Cutout. CapCut will automatically separate the subject from the background, which makes the center of your design stand out much more clearly. Once that is done, go back to the bottom clip and apply a dark filter to it. Keeping the bottom layer darker is important because it helps the cutout subject pop and gives the whole design that dramatic album cover feel. You want the contrast to feel bold, moody, and intentional. Next, let's add the text overlay. Drag a default text layer in between the two image layers so it sits in the right visual position within the composition. Type in your album title or main text and then change the font to Anson. This font works well because it has a stylish, modern look that suits cover art and music visuals. After that, choose a high contrast color so the text stands out clearly against the background. White, off-white, or a strong bright tone usually works best depending on your image. To make the text look more dimensional, turn on shadows, then adjust the shadow distance to 7. That small adjustment can create a subtle 3D depth effect, which makes the text feel more premium and less flat. If needed, you can also fine-tune the size and placement so the title balances nicely with the subject and the background. The goal is to make sure nothing feels crowded while still keeping the design visually powerful. Now it's time to add a badge and texture to give the cover more style. Import your Parental Advisory PNG and place it on the top track. Then scale it down and position it in the bottom corner. This adds that classic album cover detail that instantly makes the design feel more authentic. After that, go to Effects, then Video Effects, and add black noise across the entire timeline. This gives your cover a grainy texture and helps create a more cinematic, gritty finish. Small texture details like this can make a huge difference in the final look. Once everything looks the way you want it, the last step is exporting a high-quality still frame. Click the menu icon next to the player, then choose Export Still Frame. Set the resolution to 4K so you get the cleanest possible image. Finally, save it as a PNG. PNG is ideal here because it preserves quality and keeps your artwork looking sharp and crisp. And that's it. You've now created an album cover video in CapCut with layered subject separation, stylized text, advisory branding, and a high-resolution finish. This method is simple, fast, and very effective if you want your designs to look professional without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.